Hi everyone, today I will share you about the D minor scale and the basic chords in D minor scales. For the board, the D minor scale has 6 main chords: D minor, F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, and C major, like this. D minor, F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, and C major. First, we need to know which key in D minor. Let's see. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. Let's see one more time. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. These are 8 keys in D minor on the keyboard. So how about left hand? Not different. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, and D. Now let's put both hands together. Okay. These are 6 basic chords in D minor. Now let's take a look at them. F major, G minor, B flat major, and C major. The last D minor. And now, let me show you how I put my hands on the keyboard. First, right hand. For the right hand, since each of these basic chords consists of 3 notes played at the same time, so we will also use 3 fingers of the right hand. Like this, D minor. There are 2 ways to position your finger. First way, we use your thumb, index finger, and ring finger, like this. We put at the same time, we press at the same time. And the second way, use your thumb, middle fingers, and pinky. Let's see I play 2 ways with right hand. Okay, 6 chords with right hand. D minor, F major, G minor. This is G minor. I'm sorry I don't talk to you. G minor and A minor. A minor and 2 ways A minor. B flat major and C major. Okay, now left hand. For the left hand, we use either 2 or 3 fingers, but for these basic chords, I will show you how to use just 2 fingers. Later, when we advance to higher levels, you will understand why only 2 fingers are used here. 2 fingers are the pinky and index finger, like this. The pinky will play the root note of the chord in the lower octave, and the index finger will play the 5th note of the chord. What is the 5th degree in a chord? In the key of D minor, we need to understand that the 5th degree is very important for the left hand. D minor, F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, and C major. For example, in the D minor scale, the key note is D, and the 5th degree will be A. Okay, like this. D minor. Take a look at my left hand. F major, the key note is F, and the 5th degree will be C. Okay, like this. Have a look at my left hand. Next, G minor. G minor, the key note is G, and the 5th degree will be D. A minor. A minor key note is A, and the 5th degree is E. Like this, okay? B flat major. B flat major, the key note is B flat, and the 5th degree will be F. Like this, and my right hand. And C major, the key note is C, and the 5th degree will be G, like this. And D minor, like this. Very important, you can do it every day. Okay.